This is our Kensington skirt, and like the Belgravia dress, this is designed for a knit fabric. And for those of you who don't maybe feel very comfortable sewing with knits, this is actually designed specifically to be sewn with a sewing machine rather than a serger. There are places where you can use a serger if you have one, but for most of the construction it's better if you don't use a serger. So straight sewing machine, straight stitch is the very best way to do it. It's a really simple skirt. It's more or less a pencil skirt, and it has a yoke front and back, and inside this yoke is hidden a little bit of elastic, so it keeps the waistband nice and secure, but it doesn't show it all, so it's kind of a nice detail. It's a really quick sew. You can see front and back are the same, and then there's another really cute view that I'll show you next that adds a little detail, sort of a sarong detail. This is view B of the skirt. It's the same skirt. You can see the yoke and the back of the skirt, and there's simply an overlay that ties over the skirt. I'll show you how it works. There's the skirt. You simply knot it, and the pleats there give sort of a sarong effect in a sense. So you get the effect of a wrap skirt, but without any riskiness of having a wrap skirt open. It's very secure. So I think this is a fun one for business, for work, but also for casual. I hope you'll enjoy this pattern, and this pattern also comes in our expanded size ranges up to size 30. So have fun with it.